příjemný představovat si sebe sama daleko od domova. Na vzdáleným, izolovaným ostrově.
Hello, this is Denka Sokolíčková. I'm a social anthropologist and I was wondering whether you would agree to meet me. Do you feel at home in Norway? Is this your home?
It is very strange and very bad to live in a place where the government only saying too many foreigners.
I don't mind speaking English, but this is my hometown. I would prefer speaking Norwegian.
I am like a professional and then I want to work here, but the situation is like forcing me to go back.
If you try to double as a researcher and a social worker, I mean, that's probably not going to work.